should really put a ring light on, but I just cannot be bothered. Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new. My name is Megan, and today we are going to be tackling this and a couple other things in my place. I really, in the last year, have come into this like cool new really deep habit of like keeping my space super clean and organized, and I just really noticed so much of a difference in how I feel, but also in terms of mindset and energy. The book Get Rich Lucky Bitch, she talks about incremental upgrades, so dealing with things that just like bother you, getting rid of clothes that have holes in them or repairing them, and kind of getting rid of those things that make you feel less than, or that kind of irk you throughout the day, I guess is the best way that I can put it. And these are those things for me. Welcome to the makeover, and I hope that you enjoy. This thing is like the bane of my existence. Nothing fits, like look at it hanging off like that. So that's not a really good feeling, but that is like the perfect example where it's like, it bothers me on the daily, it causes me annoyance, and it's unnecessary annoyance. So instead of feeling like we need to change our entire lives all in one day, it's like incremental upgrades that are gonna make you feel better. Same thing with my closet, which is actually like not, I don't know, it's not that bad, but it's just not great. So I got, like I have all these crappy hangers and whatever. So I got some good hangers, and we're gonna go ahead and just revamp all of this. Hopefully one of my next vlogs will be upgrading this couch, because every time I film, it makes me mental. Because I am such a visual person, if it's not in front of my face, then I forget it exists. So part of my struggle with my clothing and like how I organize it is organizing it so that I can see it all. So I got just some plain black hangers. These are the ones with the little like velvet on it so they won't slip. So I'm gonna replace all of those icky wire ones with these. This is probably what I'm most excited about. So these are like super simple, just those little like pants hangers, but again, I have a whole bunch of pants in my drawers and I never wear them, and I swear it's because I forget they exist. I go to my closet, I don't see them, so I don't wear them. So I'm really going to be trying to put everything that like is fashionable or that I would wear out onto some sort of rack and have it in, or some sort of hanger and have it in my closet, and then have my drawer space for things like workout clothes and stuff like that, where it's like if I need it, I just go get it. You know what I mean? A few of these so I can hang like my skirts and things like that and have them again just laying really nice, and also so I can see them and know they exist. There's a pattern here. So I'm going to start by pulling out all of these wire hangers, switching those out, and then I can go through and start kind of organizing where I want things. Okay, so feeling really happy. Literally have everything from like my comfy clothes, so I kind of kept those all on one side, my matching sets and stuff like that, because I'm really trying to be mindful of just like feeling cute even when I'm at home. And my pants, these, I'm a little less excited about these than I thought I would be, because I feel like you can only see the pants that are in there from the side, if that makes sense. But it's still way better. They're all here and I can see all of my options. Okay, so next up I got this little guy, because I'm the worst. This is me every day. Throwing a towel over there, which obviously is not a good look. And I don't know why, you know, it's like a weird rule where like you don't use those, and for some reason I don't know. $3, love it. So hopefully, the only thing I'm worried about is that it's gonna damage. I don't know about that. Fuck. Really? Look at this hideous robe. It's like monkeys all over it. But I kind of like having a robe I like less for days where I'm like self-tanning, or if I'm getting ready, and because makeup It's a little scary how much it stains things. Makes you really wonder what it's doing to your face. I don't know if this is the best long-term solution. It's definitely better than having my towel hanging there all the time. Moving on. So next I'm tackling my shoes. So I got a shoe rack. Ay. This chaos needs to not be there. It's the shoe rack I got. It was $4, very affordable. I'm sure it's not the best quality, but all I needed to do is hold my shoes. But like, look how much better. And then up on top, I was able to get all of my like cleaning stuff and extra space even. Like, what? Okay, so it is the next day. Still wearing the same outfit, but you know, whatever. I'm now tackling probably what I'm most excited about. So in terms of like incremental upgrades or things that just have been driving me up the wall, this is it. So this is what I use to hold all of my makeup. The reason that I like this or have kept it is because I don't have much room in my bathroom and stuff. So I like that it's on a roller and I can just roll it away. So I got this new little rolling rack. Making good progress. I got through all of my makeup, and then I have like more hair things down here. So I think I'm gonna see if I can fit at least most of this in the bottom. And then that frees up room under here because it drives me nuts that I can't like keep towels and extra things under my sink. Got all of my towels rolled up. It's so crazy how much more you can fit. This is now in my room. It wouldn't fit in the closet, unfortunately, which is like kind of a bummer, but it's all very organized. All of my hair stuff down there, makeup and nail stuff, and then this is the products that I use like every day. Okay, my whole place is done. It's organized. I'm feeling so good. I just feel like it's so crazy the power of just your environment and having things organized and in order to just help your life be better. That is it for my closet clean out, my reorganization, and doing a little bit of incremental upgrades in my place. I hope you found this inspiring and it gave you a little bit of cleaning and organization motivation. If you did like this video, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing, and I will see you next week. Bye guys.